The centre walked the talk and snubbed Pakistan by calling off Foreign Secretary level talks last evening after the Pakistan envoy met separatist leaders. Now, despite New Delhi's clear warning, separatists remain adamant going ahead with the meeting today. Meeting between Abdul Basit and Syed Ali Shah Gilani well underway right now. Protests, of course, have escalated in the past hour or so. And what we understand right now that the protesters who were trying to march towards the Pakistan High Commission have been stopped short just about 50 meters away. The protesters objecting to the meeting of Syed Ali Shah Gilani, a hardliner who is currently meeting with Abdul Basit.
This protest was declared yesterday itself, so there was enough police deployment, but they were not really expecting the protest to get out of hand. What's happened over the last 20 minutes or so is that these protesters have actually just taken off from the Teen Murti Bhavan lane, from the Teen Murti Marg itself, all the way via the Shanti Path. This is a very important area in terms of the diplomatic movements, and it has been completely been brought to a standstill as we speak, as protesters continue to dominate at the roundabout itself. Remember, some of the riders and drivers on this road have been trying to get their way across, but they've all been completely stalled as well. So there's a bit of a traffic jam on the other side. But yes, the protests as we speak, they continue. If I can just ask my video journalist to give you a sense of the kind of banners they're carrying. They're saying that, you know, the basic demand is not to look at Kashmir as a problem through the lens of the separatists. They're also saying that it's high time that they address the question of a larger united Kashmir and demand that Pakistan gives the Pakistan occupied Kashmir portion also back to India. So of course it's a bit of a protest from the other side. This organization, Jammu and Kashmir People's Forum, of course, is an organization that's also believed to be affiliated to the RSS. But besides that, of course, they are saying that this demand, for the time being at least, will continue, and they are saying that unless Pakistan itself takes some action against their High Commissioner and recalls him, or for that matter, New Delhi takes a strong stand on this particular issue, the fact that the Pakistan High Commissioner continues to pay heed to the separatists and their voice. Remember, yesterday we had Shabir Shah here in New Delhi. Today we've had Syed Ali Shah Gilani. Later today, of course, Yasin Malik too is expected to meet the Pakistan High Commissioner Abdul Basit. So we'll have to really see how the administration, how New Delhi approaches this issue diplomatically. But for the time being, of course, the protests on the streets of New Delhi are making a very strong statement.